don't fish play basketball?
Why?
Because they're scared of the net. What's the difference between a guitar and a fish?
What?
You can't tune a fish.
What do you call an American bee?
What?
A USB.
What do you call a cute door?
What?
Adorable.
What's the richest fish in the world?
What?
A goldfish.
Why is a fish so easy to weigh?
Why?
Because they come with their own scales. Why can't you play basketball in the jungle?
Why?
Because there's too